Hello everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how what3words is used with Savvy Navvy, which is a marine navigation tool, and it is available on iOS, Android, and as a desktop application. So in Savvy Navvy, you can tap anywhere on the map and see the 3-word address of that location, but you can also enter a 3-word address of your waypoints. So let's see how this is done. I'm going to enter a 3-word address in the search bar here. So let's say speculates, boiling, speaking. As you can see, the autosuggest gives a list of possible 3-word addresses. I'm just going to tap on the first one here. As you can see, now this pin is dropped where this location is, and a pop-up window appeared below, which has got the information about GPS coordinates of this location, depth of the waterway in this area, wind and tidal information, and the 3-word address below that. I'm going to enter another 3-word address in the waypoints, possibly the destination. So that's going to be prevents, bachelor, reinventing, and I'm just going to tap on the first one. Let's say that's correct. As you can see, the pin is dropped where this location is now, so that's in North Atlantic Ocean, and the second window appeared with relevant wind tidal information. Let's say I'm done entering the waypoints, and I'm just going to tap on plot route. And now the app calculates the route, fetching weather forecast. And if you actually choose the time of your departure here, it will give you the relevant weather information at that time. Thank you for watching. See you with the next tutorial.